Yeah, well.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Here is Nay speaking. Today's video is, well, I basically filmed a bunch and documented my life for the past few months, and I want to tell you about the little lessons I learned. I want to share all these memories, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. Thank you for being here. Let's go. Okay, before we move on, I want to take a minute to talk about one of my favorite jewelry brands, Luisa, who are sponsoring this video. I'm actually wearing my favorite Lexi earrings right now. I wear these almost every day. I love them so much. They craft high quality pieces and are carbon neutral from their packaging to their products and all at very affordable prices. Mother's Day is coming up, so they've got an incredible sale going on their website where you can buy one and get one, not 20. Not 30, but 40% off. So treat your mom or another woman in your life to a pair of earrings or maybe a necklace and get yourself one as well. So pause the video right now, click the link and check out their website. They always have new collections and maybe you'll see something you haven't seen before. Or have a look after the video. Again, I have a link in my description and I'm sure you won't want to miss this. Thank you again so much to Annalena for sponsoring this video, and let's move on. Okay, let's backtrack a little bit and let me give you some more context. So, the months of December and January were quite intense and I really overworked myself there. So, I entered February feeling just completely exhausted and burnt out. Just mentally off balance and trying to hold it together somehow. My life felt scattered into little pieces and yeah, I was just kind of trying to make sense of it all again. I had no routines or sense of direction. I was at a loss as to where I came from and where I was actually trying to go. All I wanted to do then was to run forward and focus on the future, to build new stuff. But the past, my emotional life, as always, caught up to me, and it made me sit still and look at everything. Again, I felt so confused then, but I was sure about one thing. I needed change. So I decided to start off with my space and rearrange it a bit. And although I'm happy about it now, it turned out to be mentally more taxing than I had anticipated. I need change. And I'm just not feeling too hot right now. Just feel really uncomfortable in my own home. And just when I look around, I just see mess, I see clutter. We are in the thick of it. I know this shop probably looks kind of nice, but the rest of the apartment looks and feels terrible. I'm just kind of realized that I think I need to be really patient with myself at the moment. Sometimes the best thing for me to do is precisely to get up, clean, arrange, and kind of push myself a little bit. Sometimes that's what it needs, and I'm kind of struggling to figure out if I should be resting or if I should be trying to do stuff. But I'm really happy you all are here to go through this process with me. And yeah, definitely have been journaling a lot.
I made a really nice page where I sort of reflected on, what I want to make of the space, that I want to create a space to heal, to stabilize, to feel safe, and to let go, and just like kind of thinking into that direction. And it's really inspiring, and I'm also trying to remind myself of all the cool things I'm doing at the moment. And I don't know, I just wrote in my journal, I'm inspired by myself, because when I kind of take a step back, I'm like, whoa, I'm doing this, and that. And I'm giving my best, and I'm trying to come up with new ideas, and that's really inspiring.
I finally got a new desk set up. Y'all, I don't even know how I was working before this. On my laptop, I had my Mac in a corner, and every time I would want to edit a video, I'd have to get it out and put it back. So this is really cute, and it makes me really happy. Yeah, finally productive times can commence, and this has significantly helped my focus. I've been craving that feeling of moving paint around on a canvas again and just mixing that shit up. It's so satisfying. So I whipped out this canvas a couple of days ago and started freehanding this little painting. I just felt like painting a portal type thing, and then this living room kind of emerged, and yeah, it's basically done now. I still do touch-ups every now and then, but yeah.
Hey.
Sometime in February, Nemo came to me and was like, hey, I want to film a TikTok by the ocean. Let's go on a road trip. And I was like, I'm down. So then we went.
We were never friends in the first place. So why you tryna be my... But they don't make you feel some type of way. Don't really care, you need to slow it down. No friends in...
I think this road trip was just so nice to get out of my head. I'd just been used to the same cloudy Berlin weather, and it was nice to be outside, shake things up, and spend time with one of my favorite people. This was really fun. This feels so wrong.
Just put it all in your mouth.
No.
It's easier if you put it just in your mouth.
Yeah.
Too sour? What'd you give her? The kumquat. Okay.
It feels so wrong. To eat
The skin? Mm-hmm. The skin is the sweet part though. It's when you first bite into it, and then the skin is sweet, and then suddenly you get hit with that. Ooh.
Ooh. In March, I somehow found the way to let go of all of these expectations I had of myself and just go with the flow and do things that I enjoyed. Just try and play and create and have fun. Find comfort in the void and accept that anything is possible, which can be scary but also exciting. Well. And I hope that it's... Oh my god, this is so stressful. Anyway, and I think it's good. Hello, good morning, it's my birthday!
Good morning. Kitchen is a mess, but I'm making tea.
So I woke up pretty early to try and get the preparations done for my little birthday party. I decided to do a little tea party thing. Here I tried to make like this really fancy chinois sponge cake with chantilly cream and strawberries, but I fucked something up and then everything went to shit. Then I made a focaccia. I just thought it'd be good to have like a savory snack, which people really liked it. I didn't film that much of it, so that's why I'm talking about it now. But it needed a lot of olive oil. Here I'm freaking out because the whole house was a mess and my guests were supposed to come any minute. Here's Lata Cam. Thank you, Lata, for filming so many cool clips. Here I'm trying to assemble the cake, save the cake, because it did not turn out as it was supposed to in the recipe. And yeah, thank you, Lotta, again for all the mental support. It really helped. And I think it ended up turning out pretty good. I'm really happy with it.
It's May Day.
It's May Day. Basically, nobody knows what he looks like without the hat because he's always wearing, like always. When I tell you, I know him. He's one of my dad's friends. Like he's come to our house plenty of times for coffee. He never takes off his hat. He always has a hat.
That's so cool. I want that. I want that. That's
So,
super cool.
People were joking.
The next day, of course, I had to do cleanup, and that part might seem really annoying, but honestly, like, hosting people is the greatest gift. When I think back to my life and I think back to like the best moments, it's always at like dinners or just getting people together, and I think these evenings make living life really worth it. Hello, it's April now, and basically I live with Nemo, and Nemo left to go and live in LA for 6 months to work on their music, which is so cool. And yeah, that leaves me in this apartment, and there are so many little things I've been wanting to change and move things around. Yeah, and I just felt like I needed some change, I needed some freshness, and so I tried to move this dresser away from the window and up against this wall. I just thought it would be really pretty and nice in photos. It's kind of hard to access by the window, so I'm really happy with how it turned out. It was really hard, but I did it. Just adding this painting as a little decoration. Makes me really happy. And then I did another round of focaccia. I loved making it so much on my birthday that I was like, ooh, gotta try this again. And I have to say, I made this one, which I accidentally made too flat, so it was really, really crispy. But I made another one that was fluffier, and that was absolutely delicious. Like, if you can, I totally recommend trying this out at home. You can like really experiment and have fun with all the toppings. I had a great time making this.
All I wanted was a bit of honesty, but you were fronted, you never really wanted me. When I asked you if you wanted to be more than
Then I decided to make a carrot cake for Lotta because her birthday was the next day. She is actually just a few days after me. Always gotta keep the kitchen tidy. I got so many different flowers for my birthday, which I'm so happy about, and I drew, I think, almost every bouquet. I think I drew 3 out of 5, lol. I love like drawing those flowers people gave me and then sending them a photo. I just feel like it makes them last longer. I mean, you know, once you have the painting, you have it forever. Then here I'm just frosting the cake. It's vegan, by the way. It's such a good recipe. I'm gonna link it down below. Highly recommend. And yeah, that was my Sunday. A few days later, my friend Annalena gifted me these beautiful bowls and cups and plates that she was just getting rid of while decluttering her kitchen, and I love them so much. They're so lovely and I'm excited to use them. Alrighty, that was my little mishmash vlog from the past few months. I honestly didn't expect to be using all this footage when I was filming it, but I'm so happy I have this documentation of my 2022 so far. Thank you all so much for sticking around with my journey. I feel like I've been growing and changing and evolving so much on the inside, and yeah, I hope this kind of seeps through in the video, but I want to work to make my videos better and share even more of like my inner journey with you all and just connect. If you want to stay more up to date on what I'm up to, what's been going on in my life, follow me on Instagram or sign up to my newsletter. I just launched it last month. It's so exciting. I have a link down below if you're interested. And yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I love you all and see you soon.